Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time again, I'm talking about AMP coin, guys. That what's going on, what's the price of AMP, what's the price in its core of AMP. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. Guys, if we talk about the right now price of AMP coin, current price is about 0.047157 USD dollar. That is the currently price of AMP coin, guys. Other side, you can see the last 1 hour update is positive 2.2%. Last 1 day update is also positive 1.79%. And last 1 week update is also negative. Sorry, last negative 1.1%. This means, guys, that in the latest situation, that is last 1 week update is less negative. That means that in the right now situation, the price changes is going positive and they're in the pumping mode. You can see here, guys. Unfortunately, as I told you that in the last 1 week changes is negative. Just to hear the price chart, negative 2.57% price dump. But if I zoom the last 1 day price chart, so you can see here now the situation going positive and the price change is in the latest situation, that is the live update, guys. And the latest changes of AMP coin, the price start pumping, guys. And guys, I believe that now, as I told you guys, that in the next week of October price will start pumping. So it is the next week, and my prediction going right, guys. Now my prediction is that, guys, that to the last of October, gradually, not a quick jump, but slowly AMP coin will continue this kind of changes. So that's why I recommend for all of you, just hold and forget it. Anyways, guys, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about AMP? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.